Welcome to American Products. My name is Mike Springer, and I'd like to introduce you to American Products' new H-frame fiber storage bracket. We designed our fiber storage bracket to meet a couple of unique requirements. One of the unique part of our design is that it's a three-piece design. The three-piece design saves you space in transportation, it saves you space in your warehouse, and it saves you space on the back of your truck. The three pieces are the two cross arms at the top and the bottom, and then the main frame. You can store about 200 foot of fiber. You can also mount your fiber tap or your fiber splice closure in the middle of the frame. It also features a hole pattern where you can mount directly through the pole. It features band slots on the side so you can mount to a concrete pole or a cement pole. It also features band slots on the front of the bracket so you can affix your splice closure to it. And we do have brackets for splice closures and taps available. We designed our fiber storage bracket because of all the demand in rural utility space today. Rural utility is one of the hottest markets around. It has some of the most funding available, and a lot of utilities are getting into this space because they can run their fiber up in the utility space and bring it down to a storage bracket like ours, do all of their splicing and not have to have a certified lineman to do that. One of the benefits of our fiber storage brackets is this compact package space. We designed it as a three-piece unit just for this reason. So you can package it in a lot smaller space. This small package has two complete brackets in this small package. If you have a requirement for fiber storage brackets, give us a call. We have an industry-leading lead time, and we can normally ship something in less than 4 weeks. American Products. You connect the world, we shield your networks.